When you buy property subject to, if you do it the way we teach, you get title. You don't buy on contract for deed. You're not lease optioning. You're buying property subject to the existing financing. You're going to get an actual deed from the seller to you. And at that point, you absolutely own that property. You can do whatever you want with it. You can live in it. You can lease it. You can turn it into a group home. You can let all your friends move in and stay for free. You can sell it on a contract for deed. You can just let it sit vacant and drive by and look at it and admire it if that's what you want to do. It's your house just like you bought it with bank financing, or took a suitcase of cash to the seller and paid cash for it, or did anything else. If you have a deed, if your name is on the deed at the courthouse, you own that house. And you don't have to ask your seller anything about anything. Do as you please with that house. You absolutely own it.